It's time for another giveaway, and this is the plant I'd like to send you. Join me.
Liquid Amber Girl Gardening.
So this plant that I'm giving away is a type of epiphytic cacti, and this is called a Night-Blooming Cereus. So this type of plant will have kind of yellowish, creamy, peachy kind of blooms, and they are only at night and super fragrant. And on this particular plant, absolutely humongous, like seriously, once they're open, like the size of a dinner plate. And so it's a really wonderful plant, kind of highly sought after, especially if you're a person like me that is absolutely crazy about epiphytes, and I am. So beautiful leaves, and it can make you a really, really nice plant if you just continue to take cuttings from it like I have done from my parent plant. You can turn this into an absolute fantastic specimen. So let me talk about the details of the giveaway. Okay, so what do you have to do to get this plant sent to you? It's very easy. You have to subscribe to this YouTube channel, Liquid Amber Girl Gardening, and then you have to either follow me on my Facebook, which is Liquid Amber Girl Gardening, or you can go to my Instagram, which is liquidamber_girl, and a follow on either one of those gets you an entry into this drawing. So it's not difficult. I did have some problems with people last time who said that they had followed me, but I could not see that they had. So I can only see what I can see. Maybe it was an issue with if you have like maybe your Facebook set to a super private setting, maybe as a page I can't see when you follow. So I'm sorry, I can't help that. I can only base these entries on the people that I see following me on either Facebook or Instagram. And then of course, the same as last time, if you would like to have two chances or have your name put in the drawing two different times, then you can follow both my Facebook and my Instagram. And also, lastly, if you are already a subscriber, great, that you can still enter. You just have to make sure that you tell me your Instagram handle or your Twitter handle in the comments below this video. I will see that you're on there, or with most likely, I probably already know you because I've probably been interacting with you on those platforms. So I wish you all the best of luck. Make sure that you comment the name of your handle in the comments below this video so that I know who you are. I do the drawing and how, I will do it exactly the same as my last giveaway, which was Monstera adansonii cuttings that I had rooted out. And what will happen is, today is July the 6th. A week from today will be July the 13th, which is a Saturday evening. I will go live at 8 p.m. and film me actually well, my husband will probably help me, or one of my kids, actually taking each entry out. I'll show you the name on the paper so that you can all see that everything is completely on the up and up to the very, very best of my ability. And so I hope to see you when I go live on the 13th, 8 p.m. That's Eastern Standard Time. And I wish you all the very best of luck.